Ready to revolutionize the video creation world? Welcome back, viewers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered innovation with DeepBrain AI. This groundbreaking startup is making waves in the realm of video creation and interview screening, harnessing the power of advanced algorithms and AI technology to reshape how we produce content and streamline recruitment processes. Here, AI Plus More, let's get on with the video. Imagine a world where you can transform basic text into captivating high-quality videos with just a few clicks. That's precisely what DeepBrain AI Studios offers. With an impressive library of lifelike AI avatars, customizable scenes, and text-to-speech capabilities in over 80 languages, this platform empowers content creators, educators, and businesses to craft engaging videos that resonate with their audience. Whether you're a beginner exploring video creation or a seasoned professional seeking to enhance your marketing strategy, DeepBrain AI has you covered. The ChatGPT feature simplifies scripting while adjusting settings allow you to fine-tune the video's aesthetic and tone to match your brand. The result? Accelerated video production, reduced costs, and a world of creative possibilities. But that's not all. DeepBrain AI is also reshaping how interviews are conducted with its AI interview service. By combining generative AI video and OpenAI's language model, this innovation offers a seamless and efficient way to screen candidates. Imagine an automated question and answer session guided by an AI human, a virtual interviewer that engages candidates in their own time. This not only eliminates scheduling challenges, but also ensures a consistent and unbiased screening process. The power of a large language model comes into play as an AI interview scans candidates' resumes and generates personalized questions tailored to the open position. This result is a smarter understanding of each candidate's capabilities, recorded sessions for review, and concise candidate summaries, all contributing to a faster and more effective hiring process. Before we continue with the video, make sure to like and subscribe to keep updated with new videos. Also hit that notification bell and let's continue with the video. So we're here at the main dashboard at DeepBrain after logging in. And we can see here that we can start with a template. They'll give you a lot of ones. We're gonna use presentation. Now that we're here, you can see the editor. You'll see a bunch of different options to choose from. In the middle, of course, is the video preview with the avatar and the different text that you write. On the left, you have the slides and the order they're in. Underneath that, you have layers with the different layers that your preview consists of. On the right, we have a column that shows your model text, subtitles, images, backgrounds, video, audio, and other settings. And there's a bunch of other options like animation and others that you might not be able to see from here. Then we're going to select our avatar, as that's probably the main thing that you're here for. So once you click your avatar, the avatar models will pop up and you can see that they have a bunch of different options to choose from. One of these is logged. I believe that's because it's premium. The premium membership will allow you to have more avatars, but they give you a pretty big selection to begin with. We're going to select Jonathan. Once you've selected that, there are ways to edit this, so you can see that underneath your avatars, you have the full body, you can have only the head, you can have just the voice. We want a talking head kind of video, so we'll have that. Interesting thing to know, there's not an align option at the corner, so it's a little hard to place some objects, but we can still make that work. You can change the channel of the voice, you can change the length of the scene, or the speed it goes at, and you can write the script for them underneath. You will see there's a bubble text, and this is what the avatar would say. So we can write it here. Here, if you plug in the text, "Hi there, welcome to DeepBrain AI Studios," and you see a preview, you can click on synthesize and hear that out.
Hi there, welcome to DeepBrain AI Studios.
As you can see, like with other AI websites, the avatar is not moving its mouth when the audio is being synthesized. That's because you need to export the video to see the avatar's mouth move. So let's see how you can edit text, edit its look, edit the content. So the first bubble up here is where you type in your text. You have 4 types of text. You have a header, title, main text, and captions. But for now, we'll stick with what we have. As you can see, there's no alignment option and no bullet option. You can see here, you can change the color of the text. You can change, this is not about text, but it's about avatars. You can change avatars per slide. So you can change that if you wanted to do a testimonial kind of video. That would be super useful. We're gonna change the font. You can see there's a whole bunch of fonts. We're gonna click Serif Pro. We can change the scale of text, so the size, and change the position in an X and Y axis. And you can also change the opacity of your text. That's super useful. Underneath that, there's subtitle, which is super useful for classroom or presentations in business settings. Just so things are clear, the text written in the slides will not get read. Only the text written under the slides will be the thing that your character speaks. So if you activate the option called subtitles, it'll show underneath there what the actual character says. And it will follow the same speed that the AI is speaking from. There's different options for subtitles, but we'll keep them default. So if we create a second slide, we'll see it shows up with the full body. We're gonna change that back into just the head. And you can see that the AI has offered a bunch of stock photos that we could use. We can use this one of a sunset and a pond. And we can also add animations like this one. You can just drag or select the animation for that picture. And moving on to the subject of languages, there are different accents that you can choose from. So that's an explanation of the basics. You can change the background color, you can upload videos to it, you can change it to a lighter blue, you can add different audio. There's some stock music that they have, and you can upload your specific audio for different parts. So as we said before, to see the avatar speak, we need to export it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we can see that it uses tokens called cubes. And there's different rates for these cubes. You'll see that if you get the most basic option, you get up to 20 cubes per month. And for most people, that'll be enough. But if you are gonna do more consistent videos, you might need a more premium plan. So we're gonna go right ahead and click on that. And after we wait a bit, we'll see our projects. So you can remember we wrote a little script at the bottom with the subtitles so you can see it is played. Here we go.
Hi there, welcome to DeepBrain AI Studios. Hey guys, here is a cool rock formation.
As you can see, it's pretty useful. It's a pretty basic tool that you can use with not much preparation before. There's not a steep learning curve whatsoever. And let's carry on with the review. Now for the moment of truth, let's talk about pricing. AI Studio's hyper-realistic AI avatar video service is recommended by over 50,000 satisfied users for its time and budget efficiency. Let's talk about some monthly plans. You have the starter, the ideal plan for those just starting out at $30 a month. You get up to 10 minutes of recording a month. You get 10 minutes per video, up to 6 scenes per video, over 100 AI avatars, over 80 languages and voices, and no watermark. Weirdly, this plan is a sliding scale. If you get 10 minutes of video, it costs $30 a month, and at 60 minutes per month, it'll cost you $180 per month. Moving on to the Pro plan, ideal plan for small businesses ready to grow. The sliding scale starts at $225 a month, and it'll give you 90 minutes of audio per month, 20 minutes per video, up to 25 scenes per video. That's a lot. Also over 100 avatars, over 80 languages like the other options, no watermark, and also priority video processing and API access. And as we move that slider all the way to the right, we get to up to $600 a month for 240 minutes up to 20 minutes per video, up to 25 scenes per video, and everything else that we already mentioned. But if you wanted a price in particular, you have the enterprise plan where you can contact sales for a specific budget for your needs. It'll include all pro features, up to 50 scenes per video, a custom AI avatar, and 24/7 priority support. This just depends on your specific needs and your budget. Also, keep in mind that if you pay an annual plan, these prices all go down by 20%. That is amazing. The applications are vast: training videos, how-to guides, marketing campaigns, educational materials, and customer support videos, all enhanced with lifelike AI avatars, multilingual support, and customizable scenes. In conclusion, DeepBrain is at the forefront of AI-driven innovation, revolutionizing video creation and interview screening. With AI studios and AI interview, this startup is making waves in various industries, providing accessible and user-friendly tools that empower content creators and transform recruitment strategies. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, educator, or business leader, keep an eye on DeepBrain AI as it continues to shape the future of content creation and candidate evaluation. Thank you for tuning in today as we explore the exciting world of DeepBrain AI. Here at AI Plus More, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to know about future videos. Also, check out these other videos next to me. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest advancements in AI technology. Until next time, here at AI Plus More, stay curious and keep exploring.